Welcome back to Intelearn, where we make industrial engineering simple. Today's topic is JIT, just in time. Ever wonder how companies reduce inventory, cut costs, and still deliver on time? The secret is JIT, and we're going to explain it in just 3 minutes. What is JIT? Just in time. JIT is a lean strategy where materials arrive exactly when needed, not earlier, not later. This means less storage, less waste, and faster production. Instead of stocking huge amounts of fabric or components, you get them just before they're used. JIT in garments. Example: imagine a garment factory. Normally, fabric is stored in bulk, waiting for production. With JIT, fabric is delivered to the sewing line only when needed. No excess, no idle inventory. This reduces space usage, lowers cost, and improves flow. But it needs perfect coordination with suppliers, transport, and production planning. Benefits of JIT: lower inventory cost, less storage space needed, fewer defects and less waste, improved cash flow, better productivity and responsiveness. Challenges of JIT: high dependency on suppliers. Risky if there's a delay or disruption, needs accurate forecasting and tight scheduling. So it's powerful, but needs discipline and planning. JIT is like running a factory with precision timing. It's a key part of lean and used by companies like Toyota, H&M, and Zara. Start small, improve coordination, and reduce your buffer stock. Like and comment if you've seen JIT in your factory, and don't forget to subscribe to Intelearn for more lean tools explained simply.